this world.
Careful.
Careful.
Words are really wonderful.
They may have more than one meaning.
Perfect. Perfect. Verb, to make the best out of something.
Fernanda is perfecting her dance steps.
Perfect. Adjective, desirable, with no mistake or error.
Only Antonia can make the perfect suman.
Refuse. Refuse. Verb, to reject, to turn down.
Karen refused to wear the costume in Go Cave.
Refuse. Noun, anything thrown away as worthless or useless. Waste.
Ingo throws the vegetable refuse in the garbage can. Words are wonderful.
They may have more than one meaning, and sometimes they are said in different ways.
So always remember,
Careful.
careful.